Creating beach waves for short hair can be a fun and stylish way to add texture and movement to your look. With the right techniques and products, you can achieve effortless waves that evoke a relaxed, summery vibe. Whether you have a pixie cut or a bob, there are various methods to achieve this popular hairstyle. One method for achieving beach waves on short hair is using a curling wand or curling iron. Begin by applying a heat protectant spray to your hair to prevent damage. Then, take small sections of hair and wrap them around the curling wand, holding for a few seconds before releasing. Alternate the direction in which you wrap your hair around the wand to create a more natural-looking wave pattern. Once you've curled all sections of your hair, tousle with your fingers to loosen the curls and give them a beachy texture. Another technique for achieving beach waves on short hair is using braids. Start by dividing your hair into several small sections and braiding each section loosely. Secure the ends of the braids with small elastic bands and then gently run a flat iron over each braid to set the waves. Once cooled, remove the elastic bands and gently tousle the waves with your fingers for a relaxed, beachy look. For those who prefer a heat-free option, there's the twist and pin method. Begin by dividing your hair into small sections and twisting each section away from your face. Once twisted, secure each twist with bobby pins, allowing them to set for a few hours or overnight. When you remove the pins, you'll be left with soft, natural-looking waves that mimic the texture of beach waves. Additionally, sea salt sprays can be a great product to enhance and define beach waves on short hair. Simply spritz the sea salt spray onto damp or dry hair, scrunching with your fingers as you go to encourage wave formation. The salt in the spray helps to add texture and hold to your waves, giving you that effortless beachy look. No matter which method or product you choose, beach waves for short hair are a versatile and trendy hairstyle that can be easily achieved at home. Whether you're heading to the beach or simply want to add some texture to your everyday look, these techniques are sure to give you the perfect tousled waves.